Had a bit of a delay on the thing. What's up, people? What's up, YouTube? What's up, Facebook? What is going on? I'm not sharing this live. I'm doing this for YouTube. I really like using Facebook share screen option to just record tutorials in general, Yeah, so now that we're here, I want to go ahead and show you how the first video we talked about setting up the Passion Fuse course in the campaigns for the affiliate marketing campaign using Aweber autoresponder. And I want to go ahead and finish that landing page, okay? That I want to show you how I go about getting landing pages to look nice, to look really good. Okay, so we're going to go back to the Passion Fuse one. For episode one, you've seen the process to how to go about programming your landing page, okay? So you just got to listen to this tutorial and watch the first one, episode one, to see what I'm talking about. And then you'll be like, you'll have that aha moment on how easy it is to create landing pages just using Aweber, okay, to host your pages. All right, so we're going to go back to design. I'm going to show you how I skim the graphic. All right, this is not what we're going to use. We're going to change this picture out right here, okay, and it was called Passion Fuse. Now they're live, so now there's a landing page. This is it. Okay, this is the landing page, and I'm going to show you how I get the image, the copy, the message that's at the top of the page. I'm going to show you how I skim that. Okay. Make sure no video. I'm going to hide this. Actually, I just leave it right there. I'm trying to make sure the video doesn't start playing because it's taking a minute to load. Okay. Well, anyhow, while it's loading, I'm going to show you how to get the image. What I'll do is I'll minimize. So we've got to get a perfect square of the copy. Okay. And what I'll do is we'll zoom into the message itself, which is right here. And I'll go ahead and zoom in to make the text bigger. While holding control, so you hit control while holding control, press the plus sign, and it makes it zoom in. This is on Chrome browser. Let's do it one time. See if we can get this to fit. And you want it to be a perfect square for the most part. It's too big, so we're going to bring it down. Hold control while holding control, the negative sign. And we're just getting like a perfect square. Okay, let's make sure we're not missing any copy here. No, we're not. All right. Make sure to. So this YouTube video going to end up playing. I'm trying to show y'all something. Let me see. Make sure the YouTube video doesn't play. Yeah, hold on. Let me stop that YouTube video. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. Okay, so we already zoomed in, and this is the copy we're going to use. Okay, it says, attention, if you're sick and tired of buying that new shiny object that doesn't work, listen up. Discover how this Greek got fired from his job, turned it all around quickly, and now generates $200 plus a day with the simple daily passive income generators. With simple daily passive income generators, anyone can do, even if you're brand new. And it says, oh, and it works for any niche. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to use my Jing tool, this little sun icon, and I'm going to go ahead and capture that square, or semi-rectangle, should I say. Thing will freaking load. Just waiting for it to load, guys. This computer's not that great. All right, getting somewhere here. All right, here we go. All right, so we just want the image. Go ahead and highlight this. Just get copying that. All right, go ahead and capture image. The tool is called Jing, okay, from TechSmith. So put Jing in the search engine, and the website's going to say TechSmith in it. I don't know the exact name, but that's where you get your Jing. I'm gonna put name it. You can name it if you want. I'll just put passive fuse. Yeah. Just make sure you name it whatever you're about to. Let me hide this. save. Name it anything you want. Just so you could find it and upload it to the Aweber autoresponder. This computer is taking a minute. Just bear with me, guys. Okay. This come up. Okay. And I already have it where it goes in pictures automatically. So we'll click save. Okay. Freaking thing will open. I saved it. It should like move to the next thing. This computer is running really, really slow, guys. I do apologize, but I'm getting impatient. There it goes. Okay, there it goes. Oh, this shit drives me nuts. Hold on, let me X out some of this stuff. This computer's got a lot of tabs open, and it's not exactly a quad core. It's one of those jacked up computers. Let's see. So clearly that's my next. I'm gonna leave this open because we're gonna refer back to that in another training. Oop. That right there. All right, now we got that image. We can go back to Aweber. I'll show you what's up. And we're going to switch out the graphic right here. Okay, so what we'll do is go to Edit. And wait for, all right, this prompt comes up. Go to Image Gallery. Okay, and you go to Upload Image. Come on, any day now. All right, it should load up the most recent. I have a program to where it loads up the most recent stuff. Give it a second. It's about to load up to the very top. Like I said, this computer is like, it's ridiculous. It really is. It's ridiculous with how long it takes to load up. All right, good. Double click on the image. It's going to upload it. Any day now. All right, just click on New. All right, and this is what it looks like. Just like that. If and the image is, it looks pretty good with the button. And what I'll do, I'll hit Save Field, and that's your landing page right there. Now it looks like that. Okay, and that's how you do that. That's how you just rip the graphic like that, and you put it on your landing page. And I always use the simple template, where right here, this thing right here. I click simple, and I make it to where I get the graphic from the sales page and put it on the front because it's congruent to the sales page. Okay, and this is the landing form I'll have driving traffic with YouTube. Okay, so yeah, that said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video for you guys. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to subscribe to this channel. Okay, make sure you tick that bell icon because I'm doing a series of different kinds of products for you to use. Okay, like this video, and we're gonna go through different products in every episode, programming it into our autoresponder to get those affiliate commissions. Okay. All right. Now that you made it this far to the video, there are going to be some links in the description. All right. To get Aweber, that link will be in the description. To get involved in something that I just found that pays $90 per referral, guys. $90 per referral. So what I want you to do is go ahead, get on this form. I only want committed people that want to learn how, okay, to fill out this form. Nobody, I don't want them people that are tire kickers and don't want to take action on their business, okay? So after you fill out that form, you're going to see a page like this. You will get a call from me, okay? And it's up to you how committed you're going to be to start making these $90 commissions, all right? You're going to become a CloudPhone affiliate, all right? Go down, read what it is. There's steps to take, okay? So step 1, sign up for CloudPhone and go ahead and get your number, your virtual number and your receptionist, okay? I'm going to show you practical applications on how to put this into your affiliate marketing business, okay? And do step 1, like I said. Do not proceed to finish step 3 because there is a training, independent training that's not from CloudPhone, to show you how to properly apply for the Impact affiliate tracking software. Okay, there's a specific way you got to do it so that you get approved the first time around. Okay, we want to get you approved the first time around, not get denied because you don't know what to put in the affiliate application. All right, so that link will be in the description. And after you do step one, message me on Facebook. That link will be in the description as well. Message me on Facebook, okay? Tell me you took action so I can plug you in to the actual training on how to promote this properly. Okay? Promote this properly so you can start making those $90 commission referrals. Okay? Referral commissions, I mean. All right. Y'all have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all in episode 3. If I can find the Facebook thing. We'll see you guys in episode 3.